Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Rivian Driver plus 4 route energy planning detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, launch the Rivian mobile app on your smartphone. Ensure you are connected to the internet for a smooth login process. On the app's main screen, locate the login option and tap it. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated area. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once your credentials are entered, tap the Login button to proceed. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Driver Plus section from the app's home screen. Here, you will find options for route energy planning. Select this option to start planning your route based on energy efficiency. You might be prompted to allow location access if you haven't done so previously. Grant permission to ensure accurate route and energy planning. Now, input your desired destination in the search bar. You can customize your route settings according to your preferences. Review the suggested routes and their energy estimates. Choose the most suitable route for your journey. Finally, tap Start Navigation to begin your trip with optimized energy usage. Feel free to access additional settings for further customization as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.